Good morning, everyone. Before entering into our today's discussion topic, I just want to thank everyone from the LinkedIn family and all the social media. There is lots of wishes and appreciations. It's flooded like anything. Thank you very much for the encouragement. And one of the wonderful comments I received that is many of the guys you are studying data science and all the things, but we are little bit confused with the thing that which field we can select. So this is the one of the valuable comments I feel that. So this video not only for this particular person, but everyone, students and that is your working people, you have this kind of the doubt. I am studying analytics, I am studying data science and machine learning and all the things, but where I can go and work? So before entering into that particular field and all the things, I have one question to ask everyone. That is, you are studying data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, business analytics, data analytics. But did you know that the completely you understand the concept where you are going to implement in real time? I am not asking about that, do you know the definitions? Of course, you very well know about the definitions. But I am asking that where you are going to implement all these concepts and understanding. If you are not aware of this one, then that is the first step. You have to understand the thing that I have studied data science. So what all the field I can go and work. So before entering into that one main things, what is the real time needed for these are all the things. So this is the understanding. I'm going with the next video. What is data science? What is that understanding level of the thing that, and what is the relationship between the data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, because everything is look like same but not same. So again, if you are a data scientist, then you can work for that extreme large data set in the organization, and you can handling that techniques of statistical analysis, and you can handling the technique of predictive models and all these things. And if you are a data analyst, if you are preferring to go in the field of data analyst, what is the data analyst job? It's nothing but completely handling the data and providing the insights. Okay, they will use the diagnostic analysis and descriptive analysis. Why? Because they have to understand the past performance of the company and what is the current trend, and they will suggest something. And again, that business analyst again, they will also see the data, but they will provide the business opportunities what is there in the company, so in the organization. And big data analyst, they will handle the complete large data set in the corporate, as well as they will use Hadoop and Spark and everything. And business intelligence analyst, they will handle the dashboards, and while handling the dashboards, they will very well knows about the data warehouse, data mining and data lake, and how the data are carried to the thing that how it is assembled, allocated in the data warehouse till the dashboards. That is, the dashboards are finally the data visualization, everything. So this clarity is very much needed to go to that which field. So I hope now you are getting little bit clarity regarding the thing that what is the data scientist role, and what is the data analyst, and what is the business analyst, and all the things. Now let us talk about the field, that is the corporate. What kind of the organizations are there? As broadly we have said the thing that there is two types of organization. One is service relevant, that is selling all the things. The second organization is product selling. So service and product. Anyway, all of us, we are going to work these two only. Suppose if you ask me, I am working in an educational sector. So that is a product is nothing but the service selling. So teaching the concepts and all the things. Suppose if you are working in a sales, or if you are working in that is insurance or a personal loan, if you are selling and all the things, then you are working under the product selling. As in my first episode of creating analytics mindset, if you have seen, I said one example that from the security guard to that is how he is in the next level of improvisation in CAO, Chief Administrative Officer. That is not the story, it's a real time story, it was happened. So why I am saying this one? You are understanding what is the concept of data science and all the things, and you know where we can implement in real time and what all the fields are there. So now little confusion here is that suppose any sector, any company, definitely finance people is needed. Any company in the sense pharmaceutical company, BFSI sector, educational sector, IT companies and manufacturing companies, all the companies I am talking. Definitely there is a operations people. There must be a finance people. There must be a marketing guys and a sales people are there, and HR. So now my question is, for example, HR. HR is going to analyze the employee performance and diversity, equity and inclusion. So these are all the concepts for common for HR, but employee for pharmaceutical company, that is HR is different, and educational institution HR is different, and of course, but the one common thing if you have seen, data is same. They are going to handle the employee performance, but employees are different. So likewise, if you are going in any field, suppose of course you have the passion or you are interested in working in finance or marketing, this analytics flavor anyway it's needed. So my humble request is, don't bifurcate the area and the analytics. One simple example, if I want to say the thing that is analytics is like a water. Analytics or data science, whatever the things you are saying, it's like a water. And the marketing concept is nothing but the lemonade. If you put the lemonade in the water, it is you can drink lemon juice, or if orange juice like a finance. So if you squeeze some of that orange's pulp, then it would be the orange juice. So you can drink as such water also, core IT companies. And if you don't want to go with the core IT companies, then you can choose any one of the even pharma companies. Of course, that all the AI machine learning is needed. So what is my final thought process is that fields are very wide ranges of the field, wide ranges of the companies. Now you have to improvise the skill set, what is needed for the one. BFSI sector 15 years before only for the MBA students. Now that's not the scenario. Even MBA students, they are expecting analytics flavor in banking sector. Even if I have worked in 10 years in banking, so I am very well give this example that thing that somebody is thinking that cashier or branch manager or teller or relationship manager in the bank, of course not. There is a business intelligence unit, there is a IT people, operations people, marketing team, finance team, and all the teams are working under this particular thing. So what is my humble submission for this particular video is, first you have to strengthen your basic knowledge of concept, where you are going to implement, and finally comes to the thing that what all the fields are opening for you, you can very well work for the thing. So still you have any confusions or any kind of suggestions, please say in comments. I am always listen to your comments and say my thought process to you. Thank you very much.